Wait. Pag malinaw ang mata niya, ganito. You see, my dear friends in magic, there are things that some people see and some people don't. Kaya testingin natin yung mata ni Iris. Iris, can you hold the newspaper? I'm just gonna get a piece of paper. I'm gonna make a paper ball like this. There you go. Now, Iris, you see this paper ball? Yes. The more you see it, if it's right over here. And the less you see it, if it's right over here. Diba? Mas malapit kasi sa kanila. The more you see it, the less you see it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you will see anything that Iris won't see, please do not comment. You keep it to yourself. Would that be alright?
Okay.
Para pag nakita niyo yung daya, quiet na lang kayo. Okay, Iris, if there's anything that you will see and that they won't see, then you keep it to ourselves. Okay, we have a deal. Quiet lang po if you will see anything that Iris will not see. Testing kasi natin kung malinaw ang mata ni Iris. Here we go. Tignan mo Iris ha. Paper ball. Paper ball will go right over here. Saan siya?
Nasa kabila.
Saan? Nakapamot, di ba? Nandyan. Malinaw nga mata mo. Tama yan. That's good. Nakita nyo? Medyo hindi kasi malayo eh. No? Again.
Nasa kabila, sa green hand.
Tama? You're sure you want to change your mind? Sure? Sure? You are correct. Tama, malinaw mata mo. Again. Quiet please. Yeah. Left or right? Left. Sure? Quiet please. Left. I tricked you there. It's not here. Maybe, maliit yun. Lakihan natin, Iris. Oh, ito Iris, ha? There you go. Ayan, then malinaw mata ni Iris. Grabe ito. 20/20 vision. Right? You're sure? You want to change your mind? Sure? Malinaw talaga. Kasi wala nga dito. Again, ha? Yung mga puti, ha? Oh, yan, makikita mo na yan. Nandito ka, no? Where? Left? Sure? I'll give you 1,000. Left? Sure na? Ako, papasubo yata ako. Kita? Hindi, wala yan. Ulitin natin. Lakihan natin. Ay, mamaliit eh.
Ay!
Mabuti, ha? Yan, tatlo na yan. Sinahirapan mo siya. Tatlo na. Arm flip, left or right? Left, sure? Wala po. Oh, dalawa na lang. Arm flip or right? 1,000. Ano lang pa na yun? We have a sponsor. 2,000. Right, sure? Magic. Again ito gawin natin. Mula. Oh. This is what we're gonna do, Iris. Okay. I want you to grab my hand as I do this. 1, 2, 3. Grab my hand top and bottom. Yan, ganyan, bulungin mo. Ha? Practice tayo, practice. Ready? Hindi makawala. Are you ready, Iris? Ready, here we go. Practice lang, practice. Ganyan, mabilis ha? Ready lang. Ready? 1. Ready ka lang, ready ka lang. Ganyan, ready ka lang. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Mabilis. Pag screen. Ano muna? Sara muna. Okay, practice. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Practice. Yan, ganyan. Para hindi makawala, ha? Ready? Are you ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, go. Ha! Yes. Nandyan yan, di ba? Let's give Iris a thunder of applause. Thank you so much. A souvenir. I have a souvenir for you, Iris. Alright, at this point of time, I'd like to call on my fellow magician, also a member of the Inner Magic Club. Let's welcome, from India, the Anthony Aka Boy Pickup.
Boy, pick up.
Boom! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anthony Andres, and I'm from Manila. And in Manila, Andres means handsome, humble, and liar. And ladies and gentlemen, today I will amaze you. Not only with my good looks, but my ability to read minds. So, for you sample, you ma'am, naka-blue, what is your name? My first name is Andres, and what is your name?
Bonifacio.
Mine? Correct. I know it's hard. And, ladies and gentlemen, when you're doing magic trick, I do two things. I do comedy and magic. So, ibig sabihin, pag meron akong ginawa, at nahuli nyo, nagpapatawa lang ako nun. At pag meron naman akong punchline at hindi kayo natawa,
Magic
magic lang po yun. Okay, ngayon po ang gagawin natin, napaka-simple lang. Kailangan ko ng volunteer sa harapan. I need a beautiful lady to help me here. Sabi kong beautiful lady, sabi kong tunguan. Okay lang, hindi naman ako makamusgang tao. So, sino kaya I need a beautiful lady? Ay, nakaputi! You ma'am, nakaputi! Yan, ito na tumingin sa likod. You ma'am, you look like a lady.
You look like...
Do you know someone beautiful? Okay, ikaw na lang po. So, tayo ka sa tabi ko. Okay. What is your name? Kakay. My name is Andres. Can I call you Kakay? You can call me later after the show. I'll give you my number. Okay, Kakay. Eto, ulitin lang natin yung ginawa ni Magician Boy Samson Tanima. Pero dito, medyo may kakaiba na ng konti. Kasi, sabi nila, ang kamay daw ng magician mabilis. Naniniwala ba kayo doon?
Sometimes.
Hindi totoo yun. Hindi mabilis ang kamay ng magician. Ang mabilis ng kamay, ang dumukot. Magician, hindi. Maraming malinis populasyon sa magician. Minsan, ako sa kaming mandangaya. Maraming nila kasi, we magician, we never cheat. But we always lie. So, tignan natin yung kung ano ba ang mas mabilis, kamay o mata. Gamit lang itong isang piraso ng coin.
Point. Close up magic.
Coin. Dahil, sino may yung coin kung may daya ba? May daya? May daya wala? Wala? Ay, dito yung gagamitin natin. Kakal! Nalong yung coin. So, hindi ko na pwedeng pahawak sa'yo kasi may daya nga. Diba mo? Tignan mo kung ordinary coin. Eh, sabi nila, ang magic daw may daya. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Taas ang kamay naniniwala ang magic may daya. Diba tayo nandito lahat? Ba't nanonood pa kayo? Kaya walang daya ang magic. Konti lang. Ay, kakay! Ganito yung gagawin natin. Pag hulaan mo, kung nasa kamay yung coin, nag-premyo ka. Ay, kayo na yan. Ganito na yan. Okay, kakay, ganito. Kapapit eh. Alagay ko yung kaliwang coin sa kaliwang kamay. Tingnan yung coin. Kaliwang kanan. Kanan, ganun pa. Kaliwa, kanan. Kanan. Pabilis mo pa. So, ulitin natin yan. Coin, kaliwa, kanan.
Kanan.
Liwa.
Kaliwa, kaloko na kita. Ay, ito, alam ko na, medyo nalilito kayo. Kasi sa likod, hindi kita. Ama, nakikita niyo ba? Mahirap sundan, naliit masyado. So, gagamit tayo ng...
Isang malaki.
Jadee! Okay, kakay, malaking call. Dapat yung kain, dalawa o kanan. Ano ko po? Ito, oh. Di ba plano ka ba? Ilan to?